Hello, eighth grade, third lesson for math. So we've been looking at exponents and exponential notation. Today we are going to look at numbers in exponential form raised to a power. So remember last time we had multiplication with exponents. So you're multiplying those two, or like what happened when you did that. So now we're going to look at an exponent raised to another exponent. So suppose we add 4 copies of 3. It would look like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Then we add 5 copies of that. So we have the 4 threes, plus another, plus another, plus another, plus another. Multiplication, we know we can state it as 4 times 3 plus 4 times 3 plus 4 times 3 plus 4 times 3 plus 4 times 3. Okay? We also know then that we can say 5 times 4 plus 3, which is in parentheses, meaning it 5 times, okay? So if we look even closer, we are really adding 3 to itself 20 times, because 5 times 4 times 3 equals 5 times 4 times 3. So you have 5 times 4 is 20 times 3, so you're adding 3 to itself 20 times. So ultimately, because multiplying can be considered as repeated addition, multiplying 3 numbers is really repeated addition of a value represented by repeated addition. So what does that mean with exponents? So what about repeated multiplication? So we have 4 times 3 written out. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And then we did that 5 times. So that times 3 times itself times itself times itself. Really saying 3 to the 4th times 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 3 to the 4th. Okay, so then now that's really just saying 3 to the 4th to the 5th. So we take 3 to the 5th, and this should be a little x, but it's not possible to make that way. So it should be 3 to the 5th times 4. So 5 times 4, up there's the exponent, gets us 3 to the 20th. Which is exactly what we found out previously, okay? So, work through the following problems, then hit play when you're ready to see the answers. Really short lesson today. So you have 7 times 2 to the 6th, 7 to the 2nd to the 6th, 1.3 to the 3rd to the 10th, 15 to the 3rd to the 9th, and negative 2 to the 5th to the 8th. So, we take 2 times 6, we get 12, so this is 7 to the 12th, 1.3 to the 10th, or 1.3 times 3 to the 3rd to the 10th, sorry, a lot of words there, is 1.3 to the 30th, 15 to the 3rd to the 9th is 15 times to the 27th, and negative 2 to the 5th to the 8th is really just negative 2 to the 40th. So that's all we're looking at today, okay? So your assignment is going to be on IXL. You're going to work through the skill of power rule, which is 8-F.11. If you need more help, let me know. I don't see this taking you that long, but if you get to 30 minutes and you still haven't reached your SMART score of 100, that's okay. I want you to just stop after that because it's a lot, okay? So we have 30 minutes of work, and if you need help with it, let me know, but once you get to 30, just stop where you're at.